Free me long time. Big bumper girl, bust up on the wine. On my Instagram page, I'm lurking. I got no time for you cause I'm working. Big bumper girl, shake one time. From your bumper, big shake it up like mine. Big bumper girl, tell time. From your bumper, big shake it up like. Some girl coach me to the life. Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. So right now I'm gonna be doing a kind of different kind of video for you guys. So today I want to do a get ready with me, but something with a little bit of a twist. What I want to do is share with you guys the hottest songs for 2017 in my opinion, or at least some of the hottest, because if I do every single one then this video is gonna be way too long. So everything is gonna be in this mix right now: dancehall, pop, rap, trap, reggae, I guess. Just a little bit of everything that I think stood out last year. So hopefully you guys like that video. Of course, if you like it, the only way to let me know that you liked it is of course giving the video a big thumbs up and also dropping me a comment down below. So comment down below and tell me what your favorite song of last year was. What you think the best song of last year was. Comment down below and tell me. Right now guys, I want to jump right into this playlist. I don't know. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If it's your first time stopping by my channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button down below so that we can become a thing, okay? Yeah.
You didn't hang out with me. No way. Now I got some dollars that keep hanging with me. Take a lot of money, that's your fantasy. Bitch, I made it from the trap. Got your girl in my lap. Bitch, I made it from the trap. Got the police running laps. Bitch, I made it from the trap. Bitch, I made it to the trap. None of them know them on the level.
cannot change. Till the hills, keep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. Been lost, been lanes, been busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, soon as you rock the chain. She caught the waves, just thumbing through my brain. Eat them, baby, I just eat them. We been moving for some time. Alright, flexing, try to exercise. For this life I cannot change.
Hey, if I get my juice, it's gonna be that much. Hey. Yeah guys, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was it. Hottest Songs 2017 in my opinion. Didn't get to play everything because as you guys can see, I kind of finished doing my makeup before all the songs were played. You guys get the point. Thanks so much for watching. Don't know, thumbs up the video, hit subscribe, follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything's gonna be linked down below in the description bar. I love look forward to you guys over on my Instagram and especially my Snapchat Zine. So until next time, stay naturally beautiful and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey.
You laugh when I give